Welcome back to day 25 of our 100 days of Java series. Today we are going to learn about the final keyword. So, what does final mean in Java? Think of final as a big lock. Once something is marked final, you cannot change it. You can use final in three different ways: final variable, final method, final class. Final variable is like a value that can't be changed, it's like a constant. Final method, it can't be overridden by child classes. Final class, it can't be inherited. To understand the final keyword, let's write a code for salary cap. Class employee string name, final int salary cap 100,000. Employee string name, this dot name equal to name. Void salary cap, system dot out dot println name plus max allowed salary is dollar plus salary cap. Public class final demo. Public static void main string args. Employee E1 equal to new employee Alice. Employee E2 equal to new employee Bob. E1 dot show salary cap, E2 dot show salary cap, and the output will be Alice max allowed salary is $100,000, Bob's max allowed salary is $100,000. In here, we set salary cap as final. It can't be changed once given. If you try to set it to 120,000, Java will throw an error. This is useful when you have rules in a system that shouldn't be changed. Think of it like Avengers rule. Captain America's shield is always made of vibranium. No one can rewrite the fact it's final. So, where do we use final in real life? To define constants like pi. Pi is 3.14. To protect values in business logic like salary cap, tax rates. To make code safer and prevent accidental changes, we use final keyword.